Hi, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to talk through how to use the business chat feature on your Apple iPhone or iPad. With the rollout of iOS 11.3, Apple makes it possible to have conversations with participating businesses through the Messages app. The business chat conversation occurs like any other conversation through the Messages app, but the conversation screen will feature the branding of the business you're chatting with. Notifications and alerts associated with new messages in the conversation will also occur in accordance with your notification and alert settings. While you can initiate a business chat in a variety of different ways, Siri, Apple Maps, Safari, and Spotlight search, the Spotlight search is the easiest way to search for a business. See whether a business chat is available with that business, and then start a business chat. As a result, this video will focus on how to use the Spotlight search feature to initiate a business chat. There is no cost to participate in a business chat on your iPhone or iPad. And now, let's walk through how to use the business chat feature on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Swipe from left to right across the front of your iPhone or iPad home screen. The Today View screen appears. Step 2. Tap the search field toward the top of your screen. An on-screen keyboard appears on the lower part of your screen. Step 3. Enter the name of the business you want to try and chat with. In this example, I'll enter Home Depot. Tap Search after entering the name of the business. Step 4. Scroll down the results screen until you see the business section, and then locate the business you want to engage in a business chat with. If you see a messages icon to the right of the business, that means you can start a business chat with this business. The messages icon looks like a speech bubble. Step 5. Tap the messages icon to the right of the business in the business section. The Messages app opens and a new message window appears. Notice that the To field in the chat is populated with the name of the business you're chatting with. Step 6. Enter your message in the To field and then tap the upward pointing arrow to the right of the To field to send your message to the business, similar to the way you would with a message to another person. A branded message screen appears. The amount of time it takes to receive a reply depends on the business. You'll receive notifications for new messages in a business chat similar to the way you would receive notifications for any other new message. Additionally, this conversation will now appear in your Messages conversation listing, along with all of your other conversations. Finally, if you don't want the business chat to hang around in your list of conversations, you can delete it like any other conversation by swiping left over that specific conversation, tapping Delete, and then tapping Delete again in the menu that flies up from the bottom of the screen. A dialog box will appear asking whether you want to continue receiving new messages from that business going forward, where you can answer yes or no. Answering yes may mean that you receive messages with promotions or deals. The conversation will be removed after you answer this question. Congratulations! You can now successfully use the business chat feature on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.